Hello, welcome back to Cryptosmart Analyst. So today I'm going to be talking about how to make daily trades, how to make profit using STIC to trade daily. And one of the if you're in our Telegram community, you must have been following up with the content. When I drop information about not coins and the Telegram token ton that she bags some. So and which is one of the reasons. For those that participated in Notcoin, they will have taken some good profit by now. And Notcoin was at 0.85, but last week, and currently it's currently trading at 0.005, and it's currently trading at 0.02. That's about 4x within a week. That's 100%. Okay, sorry, that's tick working. Awesome. So that's stick working anyway. So one of the things I want to share about stick, which I use in trading Notcoin, even on the 15 minutes time frame, it's one amazing thing. No, I think it's important for you to note that I built stick for myself. When I was building stick, I built stick for myself, not for anybody. I wanted to use the tool. I wanted to maximize my trading profit. I wanted to maximize my trading activities and make sure that I become a profitable trader. That's why I started building. That's why I built Stick. And I think I want to. This is Stick version 1 and 2 merged together. And there's a way I did it. I already removed some. Okay. So I'm trying to disable the extreme alerts for version 1. Like I said, Stick has been optimized, so these are things you can look at for. So I built Stick for myself to be able to optimize my trading and become a better trader. That's why I built Stick, and that is why I basically use it every day for my trading activities. Like I'm currently on a trade right now. I'm on Solana right now, shorting it. Stick gave me entry at 163.79. I'm already shorting. Solana is currently trading at 163.12, which I'm projecting it to eat about 161. So, and for Stick right now, one of the things about I used for Notcoin past few days. Okay, if you're trading Notcoin yesterday, you know that we got the inducement. This is basically how to use Stick. Okay, let me. There's something I still need to disable. Good. So I just want that only because we have some alerts are replicated on version 1 and version 2. So I'm just trying to filter that which was replicated on version 2 so that I can just on version 1 so that I can just have it on version 2. So there's something that actually happened yesterday which I really wanted to point out, which was really amazing. When Stick gave me entry, so Stick gave me a buy. So if I got a buy from here, when the market, we got to take some profit alert, that is the market is already extreme. Take some profit, not fully extreme anyway. Whenever I take some profit, is not a fully extreme. It's just for you to take some profit, protect your profit. It doesn't mean that the market will not continue going up. But after taking some profit, there's potentially a minor correction. Especially on the lower time frame, it tends to see a minor correction, then market continues. You can see that after having a take a profit right now, and it's best for you to use it when the candle close. Take your profit at candle close, and if you're going to take a buy, also take your buy at candle close. Not immediately you get the alert, because until the candle close, that is when the alert get confirmed. So I got to take some profit alert, and the market dumps, and the market dump. You can see after I take some profits, I got a sell. This is the sell. You can see the sell here, right? I got a sell. So I got a sell. I took that profit when the market hits the market trigger line. When it hit this purple line, when it hit the market trigger line, that's when I took my profit and I was out of it. So I short from here. I shorted from here. I took profit here. The first hit actually. I took profit from the first hit. This one. I took profit here and I was out. Then before you know it, you get upward liquidity. Then Stick indicated a buy. So I got a buy. Upward liquidity is a validity for the market to reversing upward. And one of the things in margin Stick, I already told you about the gray color. You can see that if I zoom in right now, you can see that we have a red. After the yellow, blue and yellow are bullish, red or white is bearish. So what I got a red indicating that the market is potentially going to reverse downward. It might continue downward. Then thinking for you, you might want to, like I said, it's best for you to wait for confirmation, and your confirmation is your sell alert. So I waited for, I wanted to short, but I just like wait for confirmation. And then the next thing I got was a gray candle. And what the meaning of a gray candle is, the gray candle only occurs if there's going to be a potential reversal. So this was the red, then getting the gray means that the market is still going up and potentially going to continue going up. It's a potential, like there's no validity or confirmation. So when I got it, I'm like, oh man. Then I realized that you can see you have the upward break of structure. We have break of structure. UBOS means upward break of structure. So when we had the upward break of structure, and that means that the break of structure was initially here, but it shifted from here to here, indicating that there's a potential breakout. So, and for you to have a confirmed break of structure, this line must meet the candle body, not the wick, the candle body. When it hits the candle body and the candle closes above it, it's an indication that the market is going upward. So the next thing is for me to wait and re-enter at the trigger line. So I just placed an entry, my first entry here, my second entry here, and it picked it, and I was up. So it keep going up. Probably can just, I think it's best, instead of just a line, let's just do a replay. I can have a replay. I think that's one beautiful thing about TradingView. So we can have a replay. So you can see, as I bought, when the broker I bought it, market keep going up, and you can see the market is keep going up and did not come back to test. It hasn't tested or touched the trigger line. Like I said, the trigger line is actually more like less a trigger that tells you if the market is going to, once the market closes below the trigger line, is an indication the market is potentially going to start dumping. Potentially, because you still need to, after the trigger, this is the market flip trigger line. The yellow line is the market flip line, the exact market flip line. Then the blue line is the market support and resistance line. So using STIC. So you can see, let me pause a little bit. So when we got here, then after I've already got here, you can see my entry was here. I got my entry here. And when the market went from here to this top, and look at what we got at the top, we got take some profit and also extreme alerts. This extreme alert only occurs. This extreme alert sell some only occurs when the market hit an extreme. Like whenever you have a sharp pump and the market already, that sharp pump take you to an extreme condition. That's when you see this extreme alert. So once you get this, either you take your profit or just short the market. So normally if you short the market, you just scalping, because the market can still continue upward, but at least the market will correct. Basically, it's great just telling the market will correct. But sometimes the market can still extend. The market can still get extended. Like you can see, we have a buy here, then we have an E buy, and you can see another thing. On this same candle, we have E buy 1, we have take some profit, and we have extreme level 2, and also extreme alerts. So E buy 1 means extended buy, that is market is already at extended bullish condition. Then we have protect your profits, we have extreme. So we have like 4 alerts on one single candle, indicating that the market is already at extreme. And what do? I just take my profit here. So taking my profit, I'm taking my profit from here. I took my profit there. So that gave me a profit margin of about from here to here. That's about 21%. So depending on leverage, yeah. So let's say depending on my leverage, so you long it from here with stop loss here. My stop loss 2%. With stop loss here, and you go from here to here. That's 7.9x. So that 7.9x means if I invested $100, I'm going to be cashing out 709. What am I saying? If I invested $100, so that's $100 times 7.9. That's what? That's 790 exactly. So just to be clear, that's 100 times 7.9, 790. So if you invest, if let's say what your risk, your risk let's say your risk is $1,000. So from here, you invested $1,000, and when the market gets here, you're going to be making $7,900. So that's the way it goes. Yeah, so that's the way it goes. It's with stick you can actually be able to take good profits, good marginal profit daily, as long as you follow whatever the stick is saying. When they say buy, buy. When they say sell, sell. Because the like I said, I developed stick for myself. I want to understand it. Yeah, I want to have better understanding of the market easily. Like I want to have a tool that give me all the information about the market and understand the market clearly. So with that, I just can follow through the market and see what's going on. I can help me to make my decision clearer. It helped me to trade better, become a better trader actually. And it takes away the fear of, oh, is the market going to reverse? It's going to lose out. That is one of the reasons why I have a stop loss. And like I said, I already explained that this X means stop loss. These are stop loss. And like I said, it's a dynamic stop loss. So when I entered from here, sorry, that's the wrong one. When I entered from here, and my target was here, my stop loss was here. So this is my first stop loss here. That's first stop loss. So you can see that the stop loss moved from here. As the market was going up, the stop loss moved from, when the market got here, stop loss moved from here to here. Like I said, it's a dynamic stop loss. So my stop loss is now at my entry. And the market continued going up, the stop loss keep moving. My stop loss keep moving to the next one. You can see this X keep following, my stop loss keep following the trend as it goes along. So you can see this is stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Let's just play. You see where the stop loss is going to appear. If there's going to be a break of structure, the stop loss is going to shift. It's going to shift. So that's like one of the things I already they developed for stick. The stop loss is going to shift from here to the top version. Okay, I'm just waiting for it. It should happen. Good. See, it has shifted from here to here. So my stop loss has shifted from here to here automatically. So that's these are things that help you know where to put your stop loss. When it shifted here, like, okay, this is my stop loss now. In case the market went up, I'm going to be stopped out. It's protecting my profit. So, but the market is still in profit. That is if I was long in anyway, because of this take from where I might have taken my profit here. But if you have not taken your profit, then this will be your stop loss. And you can see the market will come down, probably eat it or something before going back up. So when I saw extreme alert on this, I just shorted, and I was already out of the trade. I just shorted the market from here because you can see the sell, right? The sell is on this this arrow. I saw the sell, then I shorted it, and I took my profit here. I actually scalp short. I short from here, I took profit here, and that was it. You can see, let's see, that's possible. My stop loss is like about 2%. Yeah, it should have taken me out. It would have hit my stop loss. That's if I've not closed the trade. So hit my stop loss, and I've already made about over 21% growth. That's about 21% growth on spot, or let's say futures, about 7.9x on futures. So that is basically how to use stick to trade daily. If there's any question you have on how to use it, or you want to have access to the tool, you can go to Cryptosmart Analyst, or just check the description. I'm going to put the link there. Create a free account, and for newbies, you're going to get access to test it out yourself for at least for 7 days. Get to experiment and test how it works. Then you can start to subscribe for it, monthly or yearly, whatever, whichever way you want to use it. So that's how I use it myself to trade daily, and it's been a profitable trade for me. I mean, it just took away all the fears of the market. It helped me. It gives me peace of mind, basically. That's the way. That's what it gives me peace of mind when it comes to trading. I know what the market is doing. I just follow through, put my stop loss, follow through, and all I can say is it has been a good journey trading with stick. And I've gotten a lot of feedback from people like, man, most of them, if you check the community, you see some feedback. Most people are like, yeah, I have guys that since they start using stick, they've been making profit back to back. So I'm just trying to share my experience. So if you're one of the users of stick, and you can comment on the video, give your feedback about what you think about stick and how it has probably benefited you over the months. or years. Okay, wow, that's true. We launched STIC in June. I launched the first version in June, so this is more or less an anniversary, right? We should be having a STIC anniversary this month. We launched it in June last year, so which is amazing. So it's good. It's good. That's good. It's been a very amazing journey anyway. So I just feel like I share my experience. And if you have questions on how to use it, or you just have any question thereabout, please feel free to ask in the comment section or ask in our community, Telegram community, Cryptosmart Analyst on Telegram. Just you're gonna get access to people. I mean, guys, even if I'm not there to respond, we have guys that probably will respond to your questions. It's a free community. It's an open community for you to leverage and ask questions. So that's just it. Thank you, and do have an amazing day. See you next time. And don't forget to trade smartly.